Il-lejl it-tajjeb, sinjuri. Bil-murtali warajna nilqawkom għat-12 l-episodju ta' The Malta BBQ League.
U jiena qiegħed hawnhekk fil-pentri għaliex illum, sinjuri, minn din il-pentri sieħa għażilna 3 ingredienti. Dawn it-3 ingredienti b'xi mod il-parteċipanti li baqalna iridu idefsuhom u ituhom post privileġġjat fil-barbecue plate li jridu jippreparaw.
Jiena nemmen illi kellek opening jifqa'.
Naf.
Però kif qatt idefsuhom irvinajt kollox.
Ma mbagħad użajt il-kelma privileġġjat.
Ma jużawhom, itejbuhom, iġibuhom kif jgħidu żgħażagħ top il-full.
Taf xejdulu? Porn tal-ikel, għandna minnhom mal-parteċipanti.
Today I'm full of energy, I'm 100%. I'm ready. I would like to cook some meat today, some steak or something like that, yes. Or some lamb.
Today I feel good. I want to try to enjoy, to cook good food and make happy the people. We think a lot about what we can cook, and I give you a lot of ideas and she give me a lot of ideas, but she think for her part and I try to think for my part.
Laqwa sissa llum wasalta hawnhekk biex nagħti il-performance aħjaru. Huwa onur kbir li tasal tregward u mbagħad speċjalment kien misteru li għalqas biex konna fli daħlitni l-mara u għat il-kompetizzjoni ġifieri.
I feel, I don't know, it's the experience, it's I don't know how to explain the sentimiento in Spanish, and I'm very, very happy to stay still here.
U dawn huma il-parteċipanti tal-lum.
Ejja, fil-fabba għandna 4, suppost illum.
Għal-ġimgħa l-għaddiet, dax ġara.
Suppost li hawn 3 min-nies, imma kellna draw. Għall-ewwel darba fl-istorja ta' dan il-programm kellna draw. Għaliex għax il-ġurija ivvutaw taw il-punti u mbagħad jidħol ir-ranking tax-xef li jpoġġihom wara xulxin. U f'dak il-każ l-10 punti tax-xef insertaw marru għand minna li jaraw li jek niftakar sew.
U ġew 53 punt u 53 punt għax għadden niftakaru.
U deċidejna li għaddu it-nej. Għaf maġratenna imma l-lum jgħalaw t-nej.
Ma jfisser xej diki finalisti xorta t-nej l-duplo. Fil-lum ximot jow jħor minn daw darba kċejjen, nfakru kon ċina Maltija, ċina mill-Brazil u żewġ kċejjen mill-Venezuela il-lum ħajspiċaw żewġ kċejjen biss. Min jaf li ma pajjiż ħajibqa fil-finali.
U l-lum bħala xef għanna xaħat illi għadda minn din l-avventura, għaddija s-sena l-oħra. Kienet avventura ftit differenti għax konna f'nofs il-sanzjonijiet tal-Covid biex najdu tajjeb. Imma, ħanaraw ma miħaltaw.
Ray George.
Ray George.
Tajjat lux b'nofs isem.
Xina rejna.
Skużawna, daw li qed tisimgħu mhumiex sound effects imma hawn festa kważi mal-bejt.
Ġiex sekondi il-bot. Isma' vera, kif tħossok? Għax nistgħu ngħidu sena ilu. Qatt ma kon żgur biqeda.
Le, sena ilu għaddejjem ġorof somu. Tiġġieled mal-ħin.
U jiena nieħu gost doppjament għax naħseb minn wara l-lik isek ħadd dik il-vija iktar bis-serjetà.
Ħadd il-fama ma mhux torqod
Eżatt. Ħadd opportunità li jisu ġietni tajba erbaħt il-kompetizzjoni tas-sena l-oħra, in-nies jisu jsiru jafu bik u qed jisu marċa ħalija torqod dil-ħaġa jisu ġie s-sajf. U ħriġ bl-ideja li nagħmel jisu business żgħir fil-verità. Organizer ta' barbecue li mmur insajrant in-nies
mhux
raffinat. Biex ma jasbux ġejb xi burgers
Isma' qaslik ikun jiġib xi burger, xorta jiġib burger.
Għamilt 3 set menus differenti biex kissa jkun.
Kellna l-opportunità nduqu minnhom.
Tispeċjalizza sir tiktar fil-smoking ukoll.
Smoking hija. Barbecue u smoking. Il-konċett ta' smoking qed jidħol bil-mod dal-aħħar 5 snin Malta daħal tajjeb, però hawn iktar fejn isiru jafu fuq on-nies.
Isma' nispjegaw daqsxejn fuq x'inhu huwa dal-smoking. Aħna ovvjament hawnhekk m'għandniex iċ-ċans għax il-kompetituri tagħna għandhom sija. Imma smoking x'inhu l-proċess?
Smoking inti meta qed issajjer qisu indirect heat, mhux nar dirett għandek l-injam jew pellets. Illum hawn ħafna varjazzjonijiet ta' smokers.
Cheers by the way, is-saħħa.
Awguri għall-futur tiegħek.
Għall-futur.
Tajjeb, Berneda?
Ekku.
Njajtu.
Sommelier
dana.
Jaħraq l-injam u bid-duħħan stessi tal-temperatura u tal-temperatura u li kelli sejr bl-smoking, bil-flavor jieħu l-flavor tal-injam. Flavors vari, eżempju cherry, apple, whiskey barrel, hickory, hemm ħafna tipi ta' injam differenti. U ovvjament jħollok il-ħin, u eżempju spare ribs jħollok bejn 5-7 sigħat.
Ħażan sek xi ħaġa oħra. Apparti da, hekk minn wara li rbaħt il-kompetizzjoni. Bdew jarfuk in-nies.
Eżempju immur nixtru hekk. Min xejjel li inti mhux tal-barbecue li.
U għedha problema oħra, hu keża bħalek, ġifieri jaf kemm u iżu rebħu wkoll.
Il-verità li il-koketana ma jġux darba, jiġu ammont ta' ġimmat wara xurxin, ġifieri allura n-nies ħajl jidrawkom jibdew jagħmlu nixtieq dak jirbaħ nixtieq l-ħor, ġifieri vera interessanti.
Jiena nixtieq ukoll li forsi fis-snin li ġejjin meta aktar naraw li daħlet di tal-smoking ukoll niftħu kompetizzjoni.
Tkun kompetizzjoni sabiħa
għax hija teknika kompletament differenti. Paċenzja kbira ngħidu.
Paċenzja ħin.
Morru l-aħħar imma naħseb li tkun idea. Nixtieq nappella wasalna kważi fl-aħħar żewġ programmi. Jekk tridu teħtlula din il-kompetizzjoni s-sena d-dieħla ħanerġgħu nagħmluha, l-applikazzjonijiet huma miftuħa ġifieri tistgħu teħtlu fuq il-website u tibbukkjaw il-post tagħkom hemmhekk.
Bħalma jgħidilkom Rej, George, l-esperjenza hija sabiħa.
L-esperjenza sabiħa mill-bidu sal-aħħar tiltaqa' ma' nies differenti, titgħallem affarijiet ġodda.
U ma tixtuq tinkwita mill-kamera għax dal-ewwel darba naqgħek.
Infatti fil-bidu ħassejta naqgħib. Li kieku ma kienx ċat fajra jien laqskodna
Stiller, x'nagħmlu?
Wasal il-ħin. Mela, illum il-kompetizzjoni kif spjegajna fil-bidu ħanikxfu 3 ingredienti. Ma niswiċċja naqra bl-English biex xejn jifhmuna wkoll. We are going to announce the 3 ingredients. Ħażina tiċċaqlaq hekk illum, minħabba grandiet minnu, ġifieri jekk għamilt li frakass, iċċekkja.
Top. Kollox top.
Nispera.
Alright. Rajt għat-tiżjina tiegħek.
Ma tantx
sajt jirnexxielek. Illum
waħda minnhom nara.
Żgarrajt,
Tlaqna.
Imma, sinjuri, it-tliet ingredienti tal-lum huma.
Mela, għandna peaches. Li huwa il-ħawħ, dan huwa port, tajjeb, U dan huwa il-famuża summiema. Quail. Tajjeb.
Summiema,
Summiena. Naħseb li il-kru l-lum vera d-dizappuntat għax summiena kemm ħajklu nismi. L-ingredienti l-ora zittom jien biex inżejjen, ġbi ma joddux.
Imma jistaw jużaw li jridu.
Jridu. L-importanti għanku għat najdilkom minna u ħanajda bl-Inglis u kol.
This is a barbecue competition, so the ingredients
must go in the barbecue, right? Ovvjament, intu tistaw sajron kif tridu, imma ovvjament iktar ma jintuża l-barbecue iktar aħjar.
Dima ditlek ħażin.
Għax dik kienet naqra u maċ bisħana ħadha, imma ħallija.
Espandi daw.
Tlaqna.
Xetta.
Ħalli fidi ħanamel niċċa u n-niċċa jitlaw taf kif jieħu
s-sadara.
Ħalli fidi. Mela, nikiem, jek, issa, nirridu namlu hija innara.
3, 2, 1, tlana! Ġeri, għari, ma xħataħar il-kontestati.
Di bil-maqlub ġeja, kif
għari, itfall, itimaw.
Thijs.
Yes.
So, quail. Is that a problem for you or is it something you have cooked before?
No, I had cooked before here in Malta, and even when I was in college, I did few dishes with quail, so
you're comfortable with it?
Yes.
And you need to put in the port and the peaches. Does that help?
Yes. Before, to be honest, I was thinking on something with port, and then I came here today and I saw the port, and when I saw it was one of the main ingredients.
So it's your lucky day.
Yes.
I
hope so.
So we have you back, right?
Yes. I'm back.
What's the plan? You have couscous here, yes?
So right now I'm making a French kind of sauce or puree. I'm burning the peppers. Then I'm going to mix here with garlic, onions and bacon.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to remove the skin of the peppers and I'm going to blend with port.
Okay.
So this is going to be the base of the dish. I'm making couscous. I don't know if I'm going to put on the plate or if I'm going to stuff the
this
quail.
This is something standard with you. You don't never know. Then at the
no,
end.
you know, I let it go and I see what I'm going to do. The peaches I'm going to grill and I'm going to make. I'm going to put on the couscous as well.
Okay.
Even marinate the quail with a bit of peach juice. So.
And this is.
Soy.
Ah, okay. Because it's in Chinese, you never know what.
Raul, is the codorniz quail popular in Venezuela?
We eat a lot the eggs.
The eggs?
The eggs. We eat with arepas.
Not the bird.
Not the bird. We eat a lot with arepas. It's traditional plate in Venezuela with mayo and ketchup. We boil it, and after we make delicious food.
Do you realize that in Malta we eat nearly everything?
Yes, here you eat everything.
Rabbits, quails,
horse.
It's normal. Do you eat horse?
No,
you
usually.
You ride it.
Yes.
So what's your plan?
I'm gonna make one risotto, pumpkin risotto with peach. I'm gonna make the quid in the barbecue. I'm gonna put inside, and I'm gonna make reduce with the
port.
With the port.
Yes. Reminder to use the barbecue as much as you can, as the 3 star ingredients need to be need to be done in the barbecue ideally, but it's your call.
Aw, mxejtlu ent. Jew mxejtlu, x'għandna ġew?
Tul minn hawn sal-pentri ta' ngħidlek.
Mela, x'inhu l-pjan?
Mela, d-debonjajt il-kwejl, neħejtilhom l-għadam, ġifieri klim ieħor, bl-istess għada ma tintella stok mal-port biex nagħmlu daqsxejn sos, għandu naqra ċikkulata. Ħalli noħorġu t-tomit għaxu oġġett salvaġġ, allura għandu toma b'saħħitha. Għandna l-patata għaddejja fil-forn ħalli nagħmlu daqsxejn patata max. Għanimluh bit-salzett Malti, naqra mortadella u ndujja.
Interessanti, so.
Nippruvaw mmorru daqsxejn fuq it-tradizzjonali salzett Malti hijos.
Ġifieri b'xi
Għax
mod.
inti hu bħala tajra ma fiex fett, allura sa tixxotta. Allura rridu ngħinu b'daqsxejn xaħmijiet żejda.
Għandek pjan soti, sek.
Disa ta' blokka bini,
Isma wark, ħalli fidejk, u rajt tinsiex għandek il-bandira Maltija fuqek,
Madonna dal-bieċed.
Jezi,
Tell me.
you were not that happy with the bird.
Of course, no.
Why? Because you like to see it fly, and it doesn't fly that much.
No, I only like the egg.
The eggs.
Yes, I never see, I never cook, I don't know.
I told you it's like a small chicken.
It's like a small chicken, but not chicken.
Yeah, fellus we call it in Maltese. But what is your plan?
My plan is to make one roast
So you marinated it with what?
to put in the barbecue.
All right. You will grill it.
Yes.
Right.
I do mushroom
All right.
in the barbecue and something salad.
Salad. You have the port cooking there. It's reducing, right?
Yes, because I to make one vinaigrette.
Ah, it smells nice.
I think yes.
Are you doing some extra stuff?
Yes, of course.
We
Always.
hope. Thank you. Għan ġistaw jamlu extra l max bit-toothpick. Taf kif?
Rej,
Ikolli taħlita minn kollox. Għaxina fil-bidu nqabbat in-nar u jkolli naqa dik it-toma ta' dak il-żjut tan-nar. Mbagħad għamiltilkom dal-cocktail, sempliċi.
Fih il-Baileys għalissa jkun?
Iva,
Għax lilu biss
espresso
intom.
u vodka. Għaraw kif għamil.
Espresso.
Espresso, mela.
Tajjeb.
Tajjeb, tomma ta' Baileys.
Mux vera,
U tiegħek l-espresso fil-background, ja?
Tomma ta' Baileys.
Baileys.
Stramba ta'
Ma għalik xana zejda, ma għalik xana zejda.
Triduna spray tan nemus. Għana minnle.
Joħroġ l kulur ta' tatu kol.
Ejja.
Rej, kiku inti ġejt prezentat b'dawk it-tlet ingredienti, kiku fejn kien imur moħħok bil-pentri li għandna?
Jiena kont nagħmel kieku bejs tal-patata max.
Kent il-patata max kont jifqa biha kien.
Blaqa kokonat.
Xi sema Tajis l-emmarreta, ġifieri qed taħdem fuq il-patata max.
Anka Mark għandi kun qed jagħmel patata max.
Patata max, ejja. Jien kont
Naf li għandu xi patata ma nafx x'ma.
Inżid il-kokonat milk ħalli toħroġ dak il-flavor għal mas-summiena. Is-summiena mbagħad nimmara naħħa qabżar u milk ħanqa żejt u ftit ċietru jew lumi jew larinġ. U l-ħawħ nagħmlu caramelized fuq il-barbecue u nagħmel daqsxejn karotti u daqsxejn jew busbis frisk jew vegetables oħra li jmorru miegħu u mbagħad bil-port nagħmel reduction biex qisu niffinixja s-summiena u l-komplement għal miegħu.
Jien niftakrek hekk qed tiġini qisu flashback għandi kont fuq l-aħħar programmi kont għamilt dak is-sos l-isfuq Hollandeż.
Hollandeż sos meta kellna il-breakfast.
Niftakar kien
Intom kellkom il-breakfast. Kellhom wieħed
biex tagħmlu imma kien irnexxieli.
Insejni ħda sievi.
Jiena meta narhom jaħbu xi ħaġa qatlintu wkoll qed narhom kalmi.
Kalmi ħafna.
Il-verità.
Tkun f'dik l-ispot tekketlu, tkun f'dik l-ispot għalik sija taraħħa minuti. Ejja taw barra narħom ħafna relax, imma fil-verità huma jkun għaddejjin gas dawn.
Għaxa kan neħdu ta' tsambit, neħdu ta' kif drink huma.
Kelma.
Tajt kelma huma tista' mossa li għamlu, tbiddilhom l-eżitu ta' medalja u 5,000
Sekondi
euro.
jkun hemm tax is-sommira ma tuħux ħafna nar.
Eżatt. U jiena tinkwetawn il-Venezueljani għax it-tnejli huma mhux xi ħaġa.
Ejja, mhux oġġett li famużi għalih.
Mela, ħbieb.
Morru nduru dawra?
Hekk kont ħanajdlek. ċin qabel immorru għall-matriq kif jgħid.
Bidel imbit, rajtu?
Instead of Brazil. Thais. Samba.
Tonight you're going to dance the samba if I go to the final,
All
okay?
right,
So
you
we
have
have
to-
a deal.
I'm really bad.
Don't worry, don't
I'm
worry.
really bad.
I don't know how to dance, so it's
Mela
alright.
good. How's your plan heading up?
Alright, so I'm cooking the quail now in foil, so I'm going to...
Can we check it out?
Yes, you won't see much. I have one onion there that I'm cooking. Here I have the French kind of sauce puree I made with bacon, roasted red pepper, and port. Yes, but I still need to finish. It's still a bit, it's like a punch. I still need to balance it out, but...
Yes, you have to.
Yes, I know. And I have the couscous over there. I'm going to work on the couscous
Did you
now.
decide on where you'll put the couscous?
No, not yet.
Not
soon,
yet.
Soon I'll check if I'm going to put inside the quail
And
or...
here again you have the port cooking.
I have a bit of port. I see in the end if I need to... I add a bit on top, you know, of the quail.
You go with the flow.
Yes.
X'taħseb rej?
Alright, Misha, minn kif qed tiskrivi, Misha tajjeb ħafna li tittiranġa naqru is-sos as a taste. Is more on, you put tomatoes or something?
No, it's just red pepper.
Alright.
Red pepper.
It's very
onions,
strong, the red
Very
pepper.
powerful.
Yes, I need to balance it because this is going to be the base, so I still have the couscous and everything. Is just to give you a punch.
Just to pay attention, not to be more powerful than the quail.
Yes. I'm going to put a bit of honey to bring a bit of sweet. Now it's on process.
Brava, tlaqna, li miss.
Good luck.
Mela, hawnhekk għandna Raul, dan huwa mill-Venezuela u the quail is not something they eat, alright? It's something they eat the eggs actually.
The eggs.
Emma, how is your plan going, Raul?
Today I'm gonna make a pumpkin risotto.
Alright,
For
I
the
saw
color.
you doing the
Like
pumpkin.
The peach, I'm gonna put a roaster. I'm gonna put inside because it's sweet like pumpkin. I'm gonna cook the quick.
The peach?
The peach, not the quick.
The quail, the quail.
Okay.
The quail. I'm gonna take the breast.
Mhm.
Gonna put inside with the
Okay.
risotto.
So
And I'm
the
gonna
final
make
plate will be like a risotto with the quail on top, right? Okay.
Yes.
Għandek xi kummenti xef għalih?
Mill-li jider, sejr tajjeb ħafna, ġifieri you are going very well according to your plan. Now you are doing quite well.
Mela, ħanaraw il-proċess xej. Jinxtam tajjeb sewa.
What is
We don't have risotto, arborio. I use a sushi rice.
Yes, sushi rice.
Okay.
I noticed. What is the base for the risotto?
Only onion, garlic. I'm gonna put some reduction for the wine.
Alright.
A color with the
You-
pumpkin.
You are using all the three right ingredients: the
Yes.
peach, the port, and the quail.
Peach, the
Everything you are serving us risotto. Risotto with quail.
with
Quail.
Quail and with the peaches
peaches.
and everything. I think it's smelling good.
Thank
So looking forward to see what the
The
result
final
will
result.
be. Ekku. Tajjeb, ma jħalluh jaħdem għax qed naraħ gas dawn għaddej.
Mark, il-patata max.
Għada mhix max.
Kważi
Għada
max.
Farka.
Mela
Jitnew l-ħalib, forsi nagħluha max.
Ejja, tlaqna.
Rajtek kif issib assistent malaj.
Mela, u fimni.
Ġabli l-birra.
Ma dak għalik biex tikkonzma. Ifim, ta' sajja l-bija u kwal. Xed tamlinna?
Mela qed nagħlqu daqsxejn il-proċess.
Patata max?
Mela, hawnhekk less kważi reduction tas-sos
Li?
u apport bil-trimmings li naddaft l-għadam kollox daqsxejn ċikkulata.
Rajtek tusa il-ħalib
Ta' ċikkulata.
il-plant-based milk, għux?
Eżatt, ta' ċikkulata biex nieħdu daqsxejn it-tomit ta' ċikkulata ħalli nagħtu daqsxejn toma iktar ħelwa.
L-summina.
Lis-sos.
Imma mbagħad li ħajmur ma' summina.
Li ma ovvjament.
Mbagħad qed nagħmel peaches li grilljajthom sa fejn
Grilli għajtom, glaze għajtom u flame għajtom bil-port.
Alright, ġifieri użajtu darba oħra.
Eżatt. Għandi is-summin għaddej isir bil-moti, summin mimli,
Alright, mimli biex.
bit-salzet Malti, nduja u mortadella.
Alright.
U daqxej raisins. Dawartu fil-gwanċale. Issa naraw.
Interessanti, interessanti.
Taħsa tiegħat. Taħsa.
Provaw.
X'taħseb, Rej?
Interessanti, jkollu platt interessanti ħafna.
Kieku minn kollox l-iktar xi ħaġa nistgħu ndewqu xi ħaġa, chef. Wen, ara minn dak, le.
Nista. Għandi.
Għandu armat, hija. Tinsiex dawċi, ġifieri armat. Onest,
Tajib,
differenti.
ajju. Ma tajib ħafniet. Perfett, jikkomplementa is-sommina minn li diskrivejtinna ġifieri kif tkun mimli hawnhekk jikkomplementa.
Għax inti għandek ġew għandek it-salzet Malti u l-induja daqxej fuq il-mila, allura inti trid toħroq daqxej kontrast
Biex
bil-ħelu.
tibbalanċaw.
Nilabu bl-aċidità.
Eżatt.
Inti tilab l-aċidità?
Ma
Mela, this is Yesibet Ray, the chef, okay? He was the winner from last year. You know. Okay, what's happening to the quail here? You covered them with something, yes?
Yes, I made one marinade like parsley, garlic, green pepper, a bit salt, pepper,
I think
oregano.
you're the only one doing this,
Yes.
Because the rest of the teams, they didn't go for actually marinating the quail before, unless I didn't notice.
So I tell Daniel,
Come a bit this way.
I tell Daniel, so it's the first time. So I never cook
the quail.
and see the So I
The
don't
only
know.
thing, can we give her a tip?
Yes.
pay attention because they cook very quickly. They are easy to dry out.
Okay.
So
Check
like
them.
15-20 minutes. They will
Okay,
not
no have like 10 minutes.
Alright.
Okay, so you're still safe. What are you doing with the mushrooms?
Something marinade with garlic, and the special thing today is the salad.
It's
So
the salad. Her salads, from our experience, you know. So the salads is where you're putting in the peaches, yes?
yes, exactly.
So the peaches are not going on the barbecue. No.
You leave them raw.
Yes.
Yes.
Leave
Raw.
it. And with the sweet wine, because I
The port, yes.
Yes.
I do something vinaigrette,
Okay.
so put them in the salad.
Alright.
Okay.
And you're serving us everything in the parmesan shell.
Exactly,
Yes.
the salad.
Alright.
Okay.
So
I'm gonna put some money on you, okay?
Good luck. Good luck.
Kontestanti, fadlilkom 30 minuta fuq l-arloġġ. Ejja ħammorru.
Aj, maħx battika ta' dik. Aħmar, imma jen għandi jew.
Ximur.
Sepabja di.
Sepabja ta' xħafi.
Ejja. Għaxu jisu għale fuq it-juru għallu
Ma
għabja.
għodux fuq, għalek kultant meta taraw it-tissiri tilaw weħedhom, max s-sommelier tana naqra.
Ejjen nifqu mit-chatting kif jgħidu ummuru fuq is-sot. Ejjen nibdew mill-ewwel ċina. Tajis mill-Brażil. Kif sejra?
Fejja tajjeb ħafna, il-proġett l-għanda f'moħħa, kif spiegatinna tajjeb ħafna, xax differenti mill-oħrajn.
Meta duqt dak il-sos issunku tajt ftit imma jisanda pjanu kollha li
Ejja, baqala xi żidlu miegħu.
Xibdiet tejjek ħatħatu mal-kuskus sejt lef.
jitlef
Nensani li l-qasada taf kif ħatamel
Issa dik li tinkwet.
Ejja,
Ma jek ma daħħax il-kuskus
tissorprendina,
la
għax
problema.
Il-ħin fl-aħħar itija. U so dejjem jiena ħana nitkellem fuq il-parti tiegħi, jien meta kont flokom mill-bidonet qabel ġifieri kif inkun naf l-oġġett, l-ewwel li nibda naħseb kif ħan plejtja, kif ħan servi l-oġġett. Dik kienet l-ewwel
Taf li
apparti.
niftakrek jena estra vera. Kont tieqaf ftit fil-bidu ma tmux inħasad u mbagħad tibdet niftakrek jena.
Nara kif ħan
Issa jien
servi
l-iktar
l-oġġett.
wieħed li jinkwetani huwa Raul. Tajjeb dejjem jinkwetani.
Illum sħaqnilhom imma li kemm jista' jkun il-barbecue jrid jiġi użat. Kif taħseb?
U ħajprepara l-affarijiet li ħajkombinaw ir-risotto ġo l-barbecue.
Alright.
Però l-oġġett main risotto jisu ħajkompli jekk mbagħad fuq taġen. Mela l-sejt il-bejz ġo l-barbecue l-affarijiet tiegħu ġifieri pumpkin.
Issa kif 3 ingredienti nafu li huma il-port, il-peaches u s-sumena. Taħseb li f'dak il-mod ħajħorġhom l-iktar stiller jew r-ross jisu iktar stiller, ma nafx.
Jien naħseb ħajnaqqas naqra mill-potenzjal tagħhom, ħajkunu hemm għax inti r-risotto waħdu m'għandux toma. Ir-ross waħdu m'għandux toma.
Però xorta naħseb il-fatt li sajjarhom kollha fuq il-bar.
Fuq il-bar xorta le ġifieri x-xogħol tiegħu bħala fuq barbecue hemm ħajfinixxih differenti mill-oħrajn. Plat li ma stennix minn fuq barbecue.
Mark minn l-oħra naħseb li rnexxielu jikkombina ħafna ingredienti differenti.
Dak imbagħad estrem differenti.
Però llum naħseb l-iktar darba li rajt il-Mark jagħmel platt unit.
Ija.
Minn drabi kollha li sajja.
Soltu Mark imur għal ħafna tomid differenti ġo platt wieħed. Illum jisu qed jiffoka.
Issa anku qalli għal ħafna drabi jolqot eżempju għaxura il-programmi wkoll. Hekk jagħmel tliet affarijiet jolqot tnejn minnhom u waħda forsi tiżgarru l-tikka.
Anke x'in-nies jikkomparaw jekk idduq li tjeb ħaġa. Inti awtomatikament it-tnejn l-oħra jiġuk mhux daqshekk tajbin.
Eżatt.
Allura dik
illum foka mhux ħażin fuq is-sommien.
Inkun onest qed joġobni jien allura.
Ejju le mhix tajjeb ħafna, ġifieri għandu ħsieb tajjeb, issa nistennew li
jesibet.
Inkwitata, iċċassata, maħsuda, imma xorta mhux qed nagħmlu li sejra ħażin.
Li għamlet interessanti, forsi b'differenza mill-oħrajn, illi letteralment immarinat il-kwejt.
U tisajrom sħiħa safejna.
Sħaħ.
Tista' tiżgarrala, kif bdejtajt inti jekk ittihom
faċli jiġuk naqadra, għax huma u tajr li ma tantx fih fett. Allura easy li jixxotta il-laħan tiegħu.
Però jekk ġiba tajba, sa drabi dejjem l-ewwel ġid.
Il-power li għandha jesibet hija naħseb issa li drajnija minn programma li huwa fejtlu s-selitz. Il-mara taf x'inhi tagħmel.
Fatti preparat jisa crust tal-parmesan biex servina ġo fiha xi ħaġa li marret oltra li sajritha wkoll fuq il-barbecue.
Mela ħbieb.
Jien l-inkwit tiegħi fuqha huwa li kif qed nirraġuna kif qed nifhem jien alla l-port u laqas il-peaches marru fuq il-barbecue.
Eżatt, il-peaches tħallihom raw, ġifieri ġast kemm ħadd islice jagħhom mal-masselidu l-port biex għamlet vinaigrette, ġifieri jien kieku kont eżempju nimmarina kif qed fil-bidu nimmarina naqra l-affarijiet bil-port.
Niftakru li l-judges ma jafux bda kollu. Il-mod kif
ħajġudikaw. Ngħidu wisq, qed jgħidulna biex nifqu u mura nsegwu l-aħħar ftit minuti ta' daw in-nies sajru. Nfakrukom illi minn erba' ħajġu tnej u dawk it-tnej il-ġimgħa d-dieħla ħajmurru għall-aħħar programm. Għall-finali fejn bħal Ray George jistgħu jieħdu il-medalja u dis-sena flok set rigali €5,000 cash. "15 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, 15 minutes, let's go! Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop cooking! Daqsek sajru prosit dinija! Nistaw najdulu l-aħħar darba illi ħaj sajru tnej minnom min jaf liema minn dawn.
Nispera ma jġuġ dro kollax ma nafsa namlu. Fil-kas konna bżon extension mill-1 biex dawlu.
Fil-kas nibqaw sejra xitpa l-iskjena.
Chef Arier, iltqajna miegħu fl-episodji tal-bidu ta' dan l-istaġun. Ġej mill-Arġentina u fit-triqtu lejn gżiritna kellu diversi esperjenzi madwar id-dinja fejn esplora kċejjen u kulturi differenti. Fetaħ żewġ kumpaniji privati tal-catering u meta ġie pajjiżna ħadem bħala head chef. U sakemm kien qed jaħdem r-restorant rebaħ Best Restaurant u Best Service Awards. Illum il-ġurnata jaħdem bħala chef privat kif ukoll chef instructor. Nancy Boħaġar m'għandha bżonn l-ebda introduzzjoni. Nancy tieħossib kumpanija li tirrappreżenta sistemi li bihom ittejjeb u tagħmel il-ħajja tiegħek iktar faċli. U għal 30 sena sħaħ tippreżenta programm ta' tisjir fuq it-television. Nancy tħobb il-kumpanija tan-nies, tħobb is-sajjar u tħobb tiekol tajjeb għas-saħħa. Il-ħelu mhux favorit tagħha. Fil-ħin liberu l-ena tagħha meta ssifer mal-familja, ħbieb jew fuq xogħol. Tħobb nies b'enerġija kif wara kollox hi magħmula hi. U dan huwa x-xef Robert Kassar, kien mistieden ukoll fis-sensiela li għaddiet u kif diġà rajtu anke fis-sensiela ta' din is-sena ġie bħala x-xef tal-lejl. Iżda l-lejla ħajkun parti mill-ġurija. Robert Kassar huwa x-xef u was-sit ta' restorant stabbilit fejn għandu l-Michelin star imnaqxin. Kif ukoll kien fuq it-televiżjoni diversi drabi. Fis-snin preċedenti u flimkien mat-tim tiegħu rebaħ ukoll diversi awards. Bwieħed mill-iktar importanti fil-karriera tiegħu kien l-award ta' Chef of the Year.
How do you see it? You know, ma narax ħażin. How do you see it?
Where is the port?
The port is, I think, in the beaches.
In the beaches? Okay. Or
How
maybe
do you
it's
see?
underneath.
With the couscous.
I'm trying to find it.
For me, it's nice.
Or in the sauce.
Maybe.
On the sauce.
Għalija sabiħ, joġobni. Għandu
Okay, ma
grilled
jdejaqniex.
onion, għata fuq il-barbecue, il-peach fuq il-barbecue,
Eżatt.
il-kwejl fuq il-barbecue, na
Is-sauce
couscous.
that is the sauce.
And at the end,
Sauce.
quail there is. Peaches there is.
Yes.
And port there is.
Port, yes.
We need to
somewhere.
taste, we need to
see.
taste.
Aha.
We need to taste.
Tajjeb.
Overall presentation is clean.
For me, it's
It's
nice.
clear,
For
not
me, it's
messy.
Nice, very nice.
Yina, I like it too. The way it's presented, I like it. Tastes wonderful.
And even the bone of the leg, it's cleaned. It's nice. Top.
Very good.
For me,
I
it's
like
good.
it.
I
You
have-
like it?
I have to be the bad guy.
You should be.
For me, it's a bit under season.
For me, it was
It's
good.
like
Little bit of salt maybe.
something, yeah, it's definitely salt. But it's
Myself,
like a bit,
I'm used to eat without salt, but I like it. But if you say so,
I don't know. I feel it's all on the same level, kind of. Nothing brings you up. I would expect the port to be more pronounced. You know, when you eat barbecue, you like this char, you like some
More
salty,
tasty.
a bit more, you know, punchy.
more tasty. It could be. Rice.
Yeah, rice on a barbecue
Rice.
dish. Okay. Ingredients are there. Port, yes. Peaches, yes. Quail, yes.
What about rice? You think it's the right ingredients?
I wouldn't cook rice in a barbecue dish, but you know, we need to taste it.
And Europe?
For me, as it looks, the first one much better. It's true. The port is there, quail is there, peach is there.
The thing is, who's the king of the plate?
Exactly.
I think the king of the plate is
It's
the
the
rice,
rice.
not the quail.
That's what I think too.
The proportion of the ingredients, yes.
It's not
Yes.
a side dish, it's the
Yes,
dish,
yes,
and
yes,
the quail
yes,
is the
yes.
side dish.
Not good. Rice
Because
is disaster, it's too much
unfortunately,
sticky.
the rice
This
is not
is
cooked
raw,
well.
just cut and put grill 1 second and you put main
I don't see
ingredients,
the
not good.
relationship also. It's
Nothing,
like
zero.
3 different components, not together. You know, usually when you have a sauce like a port, which is sweet, and the peach is sweet, so and the quail likes sweetness, so you know you should bring something together. This one is like
And the
one, two,
rice is not cooked well.
It's sticky, uncooked.
Sticky, it's not prepared as
It's
it
not
should be.
nice. Not nice.
And this is under seasoned.
yeah, definitely.
Da sabiħ, Nancy.
Number 3.
I love it. What do you
looks
think about
nice,
it?
huh?
What?
Do you like
First of all, we can see the quail, which
Yes.
you know, and it's a decent
And
piece.
there's the asparagus, my favorite.
Okay, there is sauce.
The
Sauce.
sauce,
So I
Looks
assume
good,
the port
sauce.
is in the sauce.
I think the port sauce, it looks wonderful.
Peaches are there. Are
The
grilled.
plate goes well with the dish.
Yes. It's
Very
a nice.
nice.
It's a
This
decent
I
I
portion.
love it.
It looks
It's a
very
decent
nice.
portion.
The quail, we can see it all.
I'll-
And this is on mashed potatoes.
yes, which is my favorite.
Even mine. You like
And-
mashed potatoes?
I lot.
Good.
Let's don't forget one thing.
Yes.
This quail has been boned and stuffed.
And stuff.
Which
It's
is
nice.
which is something
techniques,
it's a technique that we need to
more
consider.
work.
Exactly. Wrapped in guanciale.
On the other
Yes.
hand, are you eating raw rosemary? Because I don't. So I don't know why. What's there?
That's only for decoration.
Yeah, but decoration that you eat, not that you don't eat.
It's true. It's true.
I never tasted it raw.
I wouldn't.
There's never a first time. No.
Well,
Looks
no.
very nice, but I think
The quail is under season, and it's full of many other stuff that they don't need to be there. I think it's
for me the raisins.
sausage.
For me, the raisins went well. For me, I like dry fruits.
The feeling is that it's so
The
much.
asparagus are good.
It's so much wrapped in multi-sausage and the guanciale, and I think it's another
So it lost its own
another cold
flavor.
cut, and which the quail it's gone.
It's, I'm not tasting the quail.
You know what I mean? The quail is gone. If you
That's-
I taste the leg, which has nothing, and it's totally under season. As a concept, I like it. Simple and clean.
And you, Robert?
I didn't like it. I think the mushrooms they are more
I don't know
fried
what the
instead of do them some barbecue or maybe some glaze with some pork. I don't. I think if I can see properly, I am seeing the Parmesan crisp. I think.
Yeah.
I think the quail is just open from the packet and maybe on. I don't think I can see even the grill or something. Marks
I don't
this
see
one.
it. I think it was fried as well. Yeah, but execution, it's not bad comparing to the others. Let's say if we think that the first one was the nicest, the other one was raw.
It's true. It's true.
But this tastes good, the quail.
Yeah,
Yes.
this one
The
tastes.
meat of the quail, there's juice in it.
The quail tastes okay.
I think they cooked it
The
on the
salad tastes
barbecue.
okay.
What do you think? The quail was cooked on the barbecue?
Maybe in a pan. They put the pan on the barbecue. Maybe.
But the juices are there, I don't know.
I have to say that
I have my
it's
opinion.
it's less under seasoned than the others.
Mm-hmm.
Still a bit on the lowest part, but a bit less under seasoned. I think the peaches are the peaches are raw. They should have been grilled. The quail
And they
is
forgot
fine.
the salt.
But the quail is fine. It's okay.
That's good.
You know what I mean? Which is a plus.
Exactly. I like it.
Yeah,
From what
it's-
we saw.
the quail is cooked good, but I can't feel the
The
I don't see any
the
smokiness
barbecue.
and
You know
nothing.
what I mean?
The
So
taste
if,
of the
so if
barbecue.
the competition is a barbecue, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But when you say a barbecue, you want it smoked?
No, just you feel the
The taste, the charcoal.
The char.
the caramelization.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Exactly. I
The
understand.
reaction of the barbecue. You know,
Understand.
get
Exactly.
when you're making a grill. You know.
This is like it's in the pan, as you're saying.
You know what I mean?
You're right, I understood.
Yeah, definitely.
U senjuri, għal ta' qabel tal-aħħar darba, id-darba li jmiss ħankunu qed inħabbru ir-rebbieħ ta' dan il-programm. Tiftakrek? Kienet kbira,
Kien kbir, il-final kien 6 plat tifsija.
Eżatt,
ħanoruk, nara, ħanoruk, ħanoruk.
Dil-finali ta' sena l-għaddit.
Finali ta' sena l-ħara.
L-reġġor, xu jkun ir-rebbieħ tal-ewwel. Malta Barbecue League, prosit ħafna.
L-ewwel rebbieħ tajjeb ta' The Malta Barbecue League. Imma, illum għandna finali oħra.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Malta and South America, the votes of our judges were really clear today, not like last time. There were no draws.
Naħseb wiċċ fil-qoddim ngħid li hija waħda mill-aqwa ġuriji li qatt kellna li xirna xilhom jazzekkaw affarijiet intom tqisu l-ġurija tagħna ma jkunux qed jarawhom isajru. Ġifieri daw qed jimxu biss
Fuq
it-tomiet u fuq dak li qed jaraw.
So, the variation between the points is 71.5 the first placed, 55 the second placed, 41 the third placed, and 18 points the last placed tonight. And the winner of today's program, and
First finalist.
we have the first finalist. It's not from Malta, sorry. It's from South America. Tia na 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 Brazil! Tajir!
She's in the final.
71.5 points, well done!
Mela, sinjuri, jiena jmissni shitty job kif jgħidu
Yes.
l-Ingliżi tajjeb. For me, I get to announce the first woman or man to leave today. Mela, sinjuri, the person to leave this competition with the
18
least
points.
18.
I think the least points in the competition so far, unfortunately.
Overall.
And I think it's a quail problem.
Yes.
A quail problem. Raul, during the competition I came so many times and I said, wow, man, your cooking is fantastic, and it's still fantastic. But I think the quail was a problem with you, yes?
I didn't cook never in my life this bird, and the first time I try, but no enough.
You need to practice a bit more.
No problem.
It was a bit undercooked.
It was a little bit undercooked. It had to be just like 2 minutes, a blast in the barbecue, so you cook the breast. The breast was undercooked, but not by a little. So only like 2 minutes you will make it perfect, not overcooked or not undercooked. Flavors was very good where we can taste, but the problem you had the quail was undercooked.
Also the judges, because it's my duty to tell you this, they found that since you put everything on the rice, they found that the rice took over your quail, you know? That's for you, you know, to understand what was wrong. But still, I think you're a great chef, and it was an honor having you here. Do you have a car? Yes? At least you're getting a car wash from Pit Stop. Okay, and apart from that, we're gonna give you all those wraps so you can experiment at home. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chef, issaw titħol int sewa. Mela, ġa fakkarni naqra l-punti dan.
So, ħanajt bl-Inglis biex jifhimna kulħadd. In English, all right? Or in
in
Spanish?
Espanjol.
La cuentas de los pontes.
L-aċċent emmi, għata?
Mela. ħanna eliminaw il-minġi l-ewwel u l-minġi l-aħħar. We have the second placed
After the judges.
after the judges has 55 points, and the third place has 41 points. So realistically,
It can go either way.
but
Kulħat jista' jirbaħ madna.
insomma,
Insomma.
għax l-10 punti
Eżatt,
ġuftaw għanna,
mussejmu
u
da'
għarra
daqseg
għasig
differenza. Sorry, il-messija jimnellaħ.
Hija ħafna. And the third place, the second place, sorry, leġitament, is from Malta with 55 points, and unfortunately, even though the chef could give 10 points to Elizabeth, but actually you gave your 10 points to
Mark.
So Mark has 65 points, and unfortunately, Elizabeth, your journey ends here.
Well done.
Well done.
Well, I hope it's not Brazil-Malta a football team, because it's a big problem, but...
No, I'm happy after all the stress I've been through and everything. Now I know I'm ready.
How do you feel?
Happy.
Yes, I think you should be happy. I think you should be very, very proud about you and Raul. You gave us many big moments of great cooking.
Thank you.
Okay. If I can tell you where the judges found that you did wrong was the fact that the peaches weren't cooked on barbecue.
Okay.
And with your sauce we couldn't feel, they couldn't taste the port. But your quail, and I have to tell you this, so when you're at home with your fiancé, you can tell him, but my quail was good. Was one of the best cooked. So
Thank you.
I thank you.
Thank you very much for everything.
I really am, I'm really happy that I met you, you know. You're the first person, you're the second actually after Raul that I met from Venezuela, and I think you are great people. Thank you for having you here.
It-tim li sejħallina l-lum sejħu karwax grazzi għal pitstop u s-set kollu tar relish wraps għal laħam differenti kif ukoll bord biex isservi fuqha. The Malta BBQ League jirringrazzja lil NG għall-ixkaffar fis-supermarket. Luke's Furniture tal-mejda tal-ġurija li t-tim rebbieħ barra l-5,000 euro sejħu miegħu id-dar. Bull Europe għal-kċejjen li fuqhom qed isajru l-kompetituri tagħna. Alka Ceramics għal-platti. www.malta-farms.com għal ħaxix frisk. U intom in-nies tad-dar tistgħu tirbħu dan il-barbecue tal-Budweiser billi tibatulna ritratt tagħkom qegħdin issajru ibatuha fuq il-paġna tagħna.
ċin bro, ċin.
Dwejja qellhom, dwejja. Tiddejja tara nies ikun ilek tarhom kważi mill-ewwel ġurnata.
Però ħankun kattif u onest. Naħseb finali fer ħafna u finali li ħatkun kombattuta ħanara jakux ħatmur il-Brażil jakux ħatibqa' Malta.
Nalla mhux futbol għax ngħidlek naffejt mur.
Attwalment
bilanċjata qiegħda.
Malta mhix qiegħda, Xiex. Għawdex. Ġifieri il-medalja s'issa qiegħda għawdex infakrukom illi ir-riċetta mill-Brażil ta' tajjis tkun qiegħda tiżdied mal-ktieb ta' riċetti tagħna li finalment il-kollu tiegħu meta inkom takkwistaw u nitolbukom biex takkwistaw ħajmur għall-LS Malta ħalli inkomplu nkabru il-ħolma li timbena dar ikbar. Tajjeb?
Jonqosna riċett oħra biex naqdu l-ktieb, jonqosna episodju ieħor biex nkunu għalaqna il-Malta BBQ League ta' din is-sena. Nfakkarkom l-applikazzjonijiet tas-sena d-dieħla huma ġa miftuħa, ġifieri jekk tridu tapplikaw u tesperjenzaw din il-kompetizzjoni.
Infakrukom li se tkunu xeffijiet, se tkunu dilettanti.
Minn fejn intom ma tagħmilx differenza.
Tkunu żgħar u jkollkom xi ħadd kbir magħkom, aħna xorta nilqgħu hawnhekk fil-ċejjen tagħna.
Sa dakinhar nistgħu nitfu d-dawl. Ciao, laħwa.
The Malta BBQ League jixtieq jirringrazzja lil Azzopardi Fisheries, Bridgepoint, Golden Harvest, Fiorucci, Gato Negro, BioAqua Garden, Snow White Meat and Poultry, M. De Mayo Wines and Spirits, Ardab għall-spray tan-nemus, Bull Europe, Wellbees bil-Carrefour Products, Piscopo Gardens, Borges Oil, Wenzhou Asian Supermarket, World Marketing, Angelo Aquilina Alfridges, Pickless Butcher u Lamb Brand.